Hi, this is Melanie Wassman.
Hi, I'm Kaleo Wassman.
We are Rebel and Muse.
Aloha, my name is Kaleo Wassman. You may know me from my bands Pepper, The Naughty Dawn, Sabotage Sound System, Law Records, and this is my beautiful wife, Melanie Wassman.
Hello, I am a yoga instructor, train yoga teachers, a nutritionist, just all-around wellness practitioner. Rebel and Muse was created several years ago, bringing the balance between a fun lifestyle of music, travel, and also finding balance with the wellness, the yoga, and everything in between.
The tools that we're able to learn, experience, and share in these Rebel and Muse community and these retreats and these workshops and everything that we're doing, it's just in everyday practice. And so we just are able to have more and more tools that make everyday life that can get out of hand sometimes a lot easier.
And we make it fun. We like to have fun.
It has to be
Otherwise,
fun.
what's the point?
Thank you. Because if it's not fun, you're wasting time.
Yeah. We do have a very traditional aspect of our teachings. We do follow the yoga tradition, and we like to have fun. So bringing in the music and the dancing and the traditional wellness and the untraditional wellness portion of it really invites you to not take everything so seriously. We can learn about things, we can learn about ourselves, but also just let loose and have a good time.
Yeah, these experiences always make me feel younger. They just make me feel lighter. Almost like before, when life is like telling you that you have to change. It really is a glimpse into the youth within you, and it rekindles that kid inside of you. And that to me, it helps me out all the time. So these experiences aren't only helpful for everybody, but they're so helpful for us.
Unity was created to find the balance between a music festival, which of course Kaleo's played many of those, and I've attended many of those, and picking the good pieces from a music festival. And then a yoga retreat, a yoga and wellness retreat, and making it a little bit bigger than that so that we have that collective energy of more people, more like-minded people, people that don't know each other but end leaving the weekend as family or friends. And we have a balance of wellness, classes, workshops, yoga, delicious, nourishing, soul-nourishing food, and music. We have live music, we have DJs, we have dance parties. You wake up in the morning getting refreshed, energized, finding that wellness, and you end the night sometimes dancing the night away.
Absolutely, and also too, we've been in this business for quite a while now, health and wellness business, that we're able to have so many different instructors and teachers come and join us from all over the world, and they offer these amazing workshops that the participants can come over and really actually choose your own adventure when you get to a place like this. Not only is Rebel and Muse presenting hybrid musical experiences and health and wellness retreats, but we are also everywhere in the musical festival world. We have done Cali Vibes, we have done
Jam Cruise.
Jam Cruise, there's another great one. We've had retreats in Sweden, festival retreats in Sweden. So we're able to bring this vision of Rebel and Muse, which is basically just health, wellness, and balance for you that gets transferred to everyone else, not only to where we hold it, but to everywhere we go. So if you see us, come and say hi.
Say hi.